Hello Central Oregon, Eric Pashia here with HomeSource. Today I want to share with you a budgeting tip that has had one of the biggest impacts on reducing my stress managing money month to month. By putting this tip into practice, I've been able to think more realistically about my spending and limit the amount of surprises that get in the way of my spending each and every month. Now, it's important to note that if you're struggling to pay all your bills this month, this is not where you should put your focus. Instead, check out our video on how to create an emergency budget instead for some guidance for this month's spending. But if you're able to look into the future just a little bit, this video is for you. I think you're going to be happy that you took a look. Let's talk about managing those infrequent expenses. Now, what do I mean by infrequent expenses? These are those expenses that you expect to happen sometime in the future, but they don't happen every month. Think things like car repair, home maintenance, annual insurance payments, car registration. I know that these expenses will happen, but I don't like the idea of plopping down $150 in the month that they happen. So, what do? Well, I need to plan for that in advance. When I account for those infrequent expenses, you are admitting to yourself that you need to plan for this month for an expense that you'll have in the future. That could mean an oil change next month, your insurance payment in September, or those holiday gifts that you plan to spend and buy in December. So let's take a look at a fun example. How about that holiday spending? If you're like me and my family, we celebrate Christmas. I'd like to buy some gifts for my wife and my family, so let's say I plan to spend about $200 for Christmas this year in total. I don't really know if that will be more or less in reality, but that's okay. I'm going to make my best guess for now, and I'll adjust later on if I need to. Okay, so I know that I've got a few months: July, August, September, October, and November. That's 5 months. So I'll save for buying Christmas presents now. So each month I'll set aside $40 to cover my spending in December. And voila, there we go. I've accounted for my true expenses. Now think about this in all different areas in your life, from car repair to pet care to those other things that happen less frequently. Can you imagine having a major bill, your car breaks down, and you just pay it? You've accounted for it, planned for it, and now you can just pay it. By doing this, I've lowered my stress about managing money because I know that I'm accounting for more of my known expenses, even if I'm guessing on some of the unknowns. But the key is we're preparing for it, and that feels pretty darn good. Now, in our Money on the Mind education series, we cover this topic and many others to help you work towards financial stability and continue to build your financial wellness over time. You can go to our website at neighborimpact.org and search through our workshops to find one that best fits for you and your schedule. Until next time, this has been Eric Pashia with HomeSource of Neighbor Impact. Stay well, be healthy, and take care of yourself.